Introducing the Fox e-Mobility Mia 2.0, the epitome of urban innovation in electric mobility. This L-category electric vehicle redefines compactness, measuring at just 10.12 feet in length, making it a perfect fit for bustling city streets. But its uniqueness doesn't stop there. Boasting a central driving position, the Mia 2.0 ensures a quirky yet efficient ride, with room for one in the front and two in the rear. What truly sets this vehicle apart is its adaptability. Equipped with smart partitions and customizable after-sales services, it can effortlessly transform from a passenger car to a pickup, coffee stand, or even a van, ideal for both personal use and small businesses. The Mia 2.0 paves the way for the future of last-mile delivery and urban commuting. Discover the future of mobility with Mia 2.0. Get ready to be amazed by the latest innovations in electric mobility. From the upcoming mini RV that defies belief to the French-based Lear Pulse 4, a modular electric vehicle designed for eco-friendliness and economic benefits, the future of transportation is here. The Lear Pulse 4 stands out with its versatility, offering customizable rear accessories tailored to various professional needs, whether it's a drop-side configuration or a refrigerated van. But the surprises don't end there. Enter the lovely O, a micro-electric car inspired by IKEA's flat-pack design ethos, set to revolutionize personal transport in urban landscapes. With options like the shorter L1 and the longer L3, it's never been easier to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Get ready to embrace the future of mobility with these innovative and unusual vehicles. Get ready to revolutionize urban commuting with the City Transformer CT2. This Tel Aviv-based micro-EV is breaking boundaries with its unique approach to tackling urban congestion and parking scarcity. With the ability to transform into city mode, the CT2 narrows to just 3 feet wide, fitting into motorcycle-sized parking spaces with ease. But don't let its compact size fool you. This two-seater car packs a punch with a top speed of 55 km/h and a range of up to 112 miles on a single charge. Plus, its eco-friendly construction using natural fibers and recycled elements sets a new standard for luxury and environmental responsibility in vehicle manufacturing. Experience the perfect blend of performance and sustainability with the City Transformer CT2. Get ready to be amazed by the future of urban transportation with the Holon Mover, a miniature electric bus that's turning heads and reshaping our urban landscapes. Designed by Pininfarina, this futuristic pod redefines what it means to commute in style and sustainability. With its compact yet spacious interior, accommodating up to 15 passengers, the Holon Mover effortlessly navigates tight spaces while ensuring accessibility for all with its wide doors and low floor design. But the coolness doesn't stop there. This fully electric shuttle promises a clean, quiet ride, free from the pollution of gas-powered vehicles. Equipped with mobilized cutting-edge technology, get ready to revolutionize your daily commute with the ME City Light Electric Vehicle. This compact marvel is not just your average mini car, it's a game-changer in urban mobility. With its zero-emission operation, the ME City Light Electric Vehicle offers guilt-free driving while slashing fuel costs. Designed to effortlessly navigate congested city streets and squeeze into tight parking spaces, get ready to embrace the future of sustainable urban commuting with the Squad Solar City car. Designed by Squad Mobility in the Netherlands, this pioneering light electric vehicle is revolutionizing the way we think about eco-friendly transportation. With its innovative solar panel on the roof, the Solar City car harnesses the power of the sun to charge its batteries, providing an additional daily range of up to 10 to 15 miles. Perfect for short urban commutes while reducing reliance on traditional charging infrastructure. But the innovation doesn't stop there. With removable doors for optimal airflow and easy cross-parking capabilities, this mini car offers a refreshing take on urban mobility. Plus, its accessibility to a broader audience, including younger drivers without a driver's license. Get ready to experience the future of urban mobility with the Silence S04 Mini EV. Manufactured by the Spanish company Silence, this compact marvel is redefining city driving with its innovative design and practical features. With its compact size and impressive turning radius, navigating tight urban spaces has never been easier. But what truly sets the S04 apart is its removable trolley-type battery system, allowing for convenient charging independent of the vehicle. No more worries about finding dedicated parking spaces with charging stations. With two 5.6 kWh batteries, this mini EV offers both convenience and performance, boasting a top speed of 52 km reach and a range of over 90 miles on a single charge. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising down suburban roads, the Silence S04 is your ticket to sustainable, hassle-free urban transportation. Introducing the VinFast VF3, a miniature full-sized EV that's redefining affordability and practicality in electric vehicles. With a compact length of approximately 10 feet, this two-door electric car packs a punch, offering seating for up to 5 passengers and a spacious rear trunk for added convenience. With a price tag as low as $2,500, get ready to experience the future of eco-conscious driving with the Tesari Electric Zero Max. This compact electric marvel is packed with features that'll make you forget you're driving a miniature car. From keyless entry and full LED lights to regenerative braking and a top speed of 50 mph, the Zero Max delivers on both style and performance. With 2 battery options to choose from and an automotive-grade braking system, you'll feel the agility and control of a regular-sized car in a compact package. But that's not all. With removable doors, 400 liters of trunk space, and a 360-degree view, convenience and awareness are at the forefront of the Zero Max's design. Plus, with 20 available colors and customizable accessories, you can truly make this vehicle your own. Say goodbye to internal combustion engines and hello to a stylish, customizable, and eco-conscious driving experience with the Tesari Electric Zero Max. Get ready to meet the eye-catching innovation in electric vehicles, the Jaguar Land Rover crossover Eye Pod. As part of the UK Autodrive project, this mini EV is not just about transportation. It's about revolutionizing human-vehicle interaction. With its eye-like design, the Eye Pod aims to simulate eye contact with pedestrians, enhancing safety and social cues in dense urban environments. These compact utility vehicles are already making waves in last-mile delivery and utility services, with companies like Domino's and DHL jumping on board.